Christmas and Acorn Wood is a luxury card kit from our friends at Hunkydory. This kit has been especially assembled for Paper Wishes, just for us. So let me show you what's in it. As always, you have an idea sheet, and that's really, really nice. And the imagery is just absolutely charming. We'll get in just a little bit closer, but of course the die cuts are all foiled, as you would expect, and the sheet's going to have a couple of larger pieces as well as all the supporting pieces. Now, in addition, there will be a foiled adorable scorable, and it's foiled over in the imagery. And then there will also be one that is not foiled but is printed. So we're going to follow that through all of this, and you can see that little badger right there. Very cute, to a little star at Christmas, just very sweet. Again, the foiling is done on this imagery of the cardstock, as well as the printed is just printed. There's no foiling. So each sheet of foiled die cuts has two corresponding sheets because there are two large images. So you can see that with this one, it's going to match that piece of the adorable scorable. And this one is going to coordinate with the second sheet. Just really, really charming. And here we go. There we go. Just really sweet. How can I say sweet and charming many more ways? And there's the two little bunnies. And then now, this is interesting because inside this, you will be able to make 4 rocker cards. And on the back of the instruction sheet, or the idea sheet, there are instructions to make these rockers. And so what you'll use are these, and then as you pop these out, you'll see that it is a card base. It's printed on one side because you're going to fold it, and then it's going to stand up, just like you can see right here. And then you're going to layer the artwork just like so. So you can see there's the main piece, and then you put this piece on top, coordinating the design, that one and that one, just layer them on top, and this goes onto your card base. You've got to and from that you can put on the back or the inside of the card, and this will make 4 different cards, 4 different mini rocker cards. And there's the imagery, and you also get matching envelopes. So that just makes a really nice package. But as you know about Hunkydory, that's not the only thing we have in this collection. We also have this absolutely charming little tag pad, and these come, they're 3.5 by 5 inches. They're padded down at the bottom, and you're going to get 48 different designs. There are 12 of them, and then you of course get 4 of each. So as I kind of go through these, you can see there is a hole at the top if you want to use it as a tag. Just again, the same artwork, just beautifully done and ready for you. These tags are on a cardstock weight, so that's also nice. So you've got other images if you want to use them as gift tags or to go on a card or on a scrapbook page. It's just going to be really, really nice for you. A lot of imagery there. Again, 48 different little pieces. Also, there is a pack of inserts. Now the inserts, as you know, there are 12 in the package. They are A4 size, and they have the same imagery that starts out in the luxury card collection, but they are ghosted back. Now the idea of insert is for them to go inside your card, but you know, you can use them on the front also. You can use them somewhere else. They don't have to have anything to do with a card. You can just do as you wish. So you've got another piece of art, and that's really fun. And in this case, some of these, let me get this little guy right side up, are actually all over prints, and these are double-sided. So some of them are what I just showed you, but we also have the double-sided as I'm showing you now. So that's nice. In total, there are 12 sheets. And then I'm not done. There's one more thing, or actually 2. So there are the inserts. Now, there is also a collection of cardstock. Now, the cardstock has 30 sheets. You're going to get 10 different colors. Let me get these out for you. You're going to get 3 of each one because there are 10. And they are the heavyweight, as you would expect. The colors are all going to coordinate perfectly with the Christmas acorn wood. Now, those are the main elements: the adorable scorable, the inserts, the pad, the tag pad, as well as the luxury card kit. Did I mention that that was an exclusive? In addition, if you love those rocker cards and want to make 4 more, they are available separately. So you can get them in the kit, and you can get even more just to finish your card making or get going on your card making. And in addition, I almost forgot, there are 4 absolutely charming stamps. Now, there we've got, we'll get in really close to see this because they are smaller. And here we go. So there's 1 right here, and 2, and 3, and 4. Absolutely charming artwork, so you can have it all the time. And this is the Christmas in Acorn Wood collection from our friends at Hunkydory.